Today we're back with another Kickstarter product test. This one being the SCRY, spelled S-C-R-Y, SCRY Artic PS5 cooler fan accessory. Big thanks to SCRY for sending out one of the first available units, and I am sure that these will be flying out in the shops real soon. But let's not mess about and let's open it up. As we do, I've got to say that it is a very well presented package. There is a feature list to the rear of the box, so it's good to know that the SCRY Artic fan will indeed support both digital and disc versions of the PS5 consoles. It is indeed plug and play. Again, we've got another outline depiction of the Artic fan itself. Okay, so we get a 3-step fitment instruction guide on it in a part of the lid. Yes, that does look simple enough, very straightforward I guess. And here we have the SCRY Artic PlayStation fan itself. There's nothing else really within the box, just a load of protective foam padding. So no, you don't have to worry about getting this fan damaged when it is indeed in transit. As you can see, the fan, it has that lamella vertical and side ventilation design. Turning it around, there's 3 7-bladed fans to the top and 3 5-bladed fans to the bottom. They all have that hyperfluid fan bearing technology. There's also a USB-A connection, but don't worry about using one of the standard USB sockets on the back of your PlayStation 5, as we do have a USB pass-through to the rear of the fan itself. It is super fast, supporting a 10GB per second transfer speed, and you will be able to use it as normal with most attached gadgets. Although, we did have a slight issue connecting our external hard drive, which really before was trouble-free when connecting it to our original PS5 USB port. It's not really a big issue really. We were able to reconnect it to one of the spare USB sockets on the PS5, but in whole, the build quality of the fan, big thumbs up, very solid, very well built design. But let's see if this baby actually keeps the PS5 cool or not. So first of all, we got the PS5 going, and yes, we played a bit of God of War, a little bit of Spider-Man, and even though we wasn't playing games for a vast amount of time, as you can see here, using this heat detector, directing it onto the hottest part of the rear of the PS5, the temperature is reading upwards of 50 Celsius. Let's quickly attach the fan by aligning up the top of the fan to the top notch on the rear of the PS5 grill. We're going to insert the USB into the USB port, and once we hear it click, it should now power up. By the way, nice beautiful white LED lights on those fans will run up to 10,000 revens per minute. So yes, it's been a few minutes now with this fan in place, and as we put our hand to the back of the fan, you can really feel the heat being pulled and extracted from the internals of the PlayStation 5. If we put our hands to the side of that lamella grill, you can feel the heat pumping out. And because that fan will get hot, obviously, because it's pulling out the heat, we're not going to direct this temperature sensor gun onto the fan itself. We're going to aim it onto the rear of the PlayStation 5. And as you can see, the temperature, yes, it's already dropped. Not only that, when we touch the PlayStation 5 console with our palm, yep, it's definitely a lot cooler than it was before. But one thing I will note is that the fan isn't the most silent. The fans do, however, run very smoothly. Again, those white LED lights do light up quite good. It's a shame though that you can't turn these off. But because of the hyperfluid bearing technology, it does help the fans to keep running super smooth. And if I was to compare this fan, I would certainly say it's a lot more silent than those cheaply built fans of certain Chinese websites. Again, I do like the lights, it does make it stand out, and it is especially aesthetically pleasing if you've got some type of gaming setup. But yeah, it just would have been great to have some type of switch to enable to turn them off. But yeah, that was a quick look of the SCRY, again, S-C-R-Y, SCRY Artic PS5 cooler fan. This is up on the Kickstarter website right now, and if you want to support them, go ahead in the link in the video description down below and show your support. I do think that this is a beneficial accessory to have, and not only that, you can place it a little more lower. So yes, you can take it off the back of the PlayStation, you can place it down 3 notches and insert it into that second USB port. That is if you want to extract the heat from where the heat is a little bit more higher. So yes, this is another video from our Kickstarter lineup. We are going to push out quite a few over the next couple of weeks. So yes, we're going to have brand new tech that's not been released yet, and all the support for those gadgets would be very much appreciated. Do us a favour guys, please smash a like and share this video right now. We do appreciate every bit of support, and not only that, please subscribe. Bearing in mind though to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now yes, as I mentioned, we're going to have some more videos coming out real soon, but if you like to click back on some of our older videos, there's one showing on screen just now. And if that didn't seem to interest you, well, here's another one. But if you're still here, well, I hope to see you guys on our very next video. Peace.